it was heavy in my gut and unstable, uneasy, almost like a jittery feeling, and I feel like I can breathe a little bit, a lot, and just step out with, I don't know, more grace for myself and just a little bit more peace inside. And I hope that I can just carry this on with me because it feels better than the heavy energy that I had when I walked in.
Amazing. We did some hypnowaving with Brianna today. And this is a newer technique that I've learned, Brianna. I didn't tell you that ahead of time, but you did an amazing, amazing job. And we'll be checking in with one another in about a week from today. But congratulations, you did an amazing, amazing job today.
Thank you.